I stopped by a few yard sales today. I found gold, over $1,000 worth of silver, some vintage tobacco pipes, vintage photographs. But the best thing I found to me is this grinder. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. It's hand cranked, has a drawer. It's beautiful. And when I researched it, it's an antique style coffee grinder. It appears to be 1784 by Stefano Ugolini of Italy. It's constructed from brass and woodworm, hand crank on top, and a small wooden collection drawer on the base. And it ranges between 85 to 600. I just thought it was so beautiful. So you can see the date right there and the signature. And here's like the top drawer. I don't know. I've always seen the box shaped grinders, but I've never seen this, especially in Hawaii. To find this in the desert in Las Vegas. I don't know. I thought it was so beautiful.